If you are curious about the role of headings and subheadings in SEO content writing, you have come to the right place. We will explore how these elements are essential for your content's SEO success. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In lecture 44, we are going to explore a fundamental aspect of SEO content writing, the role of headings and subheadings. Headings and subheadings are like the signposts that guide readers through your content effectively. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Let's start by understanding why headings and subheadings are so crucial in SEO content writing. First, we have structural organization. Headings and subheadings provide a clear and organized structure to your content. They break down the information into manageable sections, making it easier for readers to follow. Got it? Readability. In the online world where attention spans are short, headings and subheadings make your content more readable. They create visual breaks in the text, making it less daunting for readers. Got it? Next, we have SEO signaling. Search engines use headings to understand the hierarchy and relevance of content. Properly optimized headings can send strong signals to search engines about the content's main topic. Got it? Next, we have keyword placement. Headings offer strategic positions to include your target keywords. This supports your SEO efforts when keywords are incorporated naturally. Now that we have covered their importance, let's look at some practical tips for effectively using headings and subheadings in SEO content writing. First, we have hierarchy matters. Use a logical hierarchy for your headings starting with H1 for the main title, followed by H2 for major sections and H3 for subsections. This hierarchy helps search engines and readers understand the content structure. Next, we have clarity is key. Make sure your headings and subheadings are clear and descriptive. They should provide a glimpse of what the section is about. Next, we have natural keyword placement. Incorporate your target keywords in headings, but do so naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing, which can harm SEO and readability. Next, we have consistency. Maintain a consistent style and formatting for headings and subheadings throughout your content. Next, we have use formatting. Apply appropriate formatting like font size, bold, etc. to make headings stand out. In conclusion, we can say that headings and subheadings are vital tools in SEO content writing. They provide structure, enhance readability, send SEO signals and facilitate keyword optimization. When used effectively, they can significantly improve the overall quality and performance of your content. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 44, where we delved into the essential role of headings and subheadings in SEO content writing. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.